What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you something so interesting, it's gonna blow your mind. But before we get into it, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do it for educational purposes only. I do it so we can have fun and get it on your radar. So let's get straight in. Here we go, guys. It's bitget.com, right? Links are going to be down below. You can see here, if you've not heard of this before, you need to start paying attention to the crypto world. It is massive. Now, a little bit about this, right? It's got the top 5 crypto futures exchange registered. It's got 2 million users already plus, and the average daily trading volume is about 8.1 billion. All right, that's incredible. It partnerships with PGL, the leading esports events company, and Juventus, who are the Italian giants. We all know who Juventus are, right? They had Cristiano Ronaldo. They've got some incredible players. They're massive. They're partnered with them. There's no VPN, no KYC. There's a daily withdrawal limitation. It's 20 Bitcoin. Now, if you're taking more than that out, I want to be your friend, all right? And that's without KYC. Now, it follows strong regulatory standards and has obtained licenses in the US and Canada in March 2020 and in Australia in April 2020. This is their website. Links are going to be down below. They got buy crypto futures, spot trading markets, copy trade, earn and protect fund on the top. All you got to do is log in or sign up, put your email in, see what it sends. It has the market trends as you scroll down, and it tells you a little bit about its fast, easy crypto trading and high quality customer service. All right, they've got innovative products, industry leading, and excellent customer service. Now, the advantages you get here, right? The lowest trading fee in the industry. Okay, it's the market at 0.02% and the taker at 0.06%. That is the greatest that I've seen. It's the first trading platform in the world to have both USDT margin futures and coin margin futures. Also, Bitget is the first derivatives exchange to support coin margin futures. All right, I'm going to show you now the futures. So if you click over here on the futures trading, all right, it's going to bring this up for you. I like to stay with the traditional trading view, not the original. All right, the original changed it to this. I like the trading view side, so you've got all of your markers on the left hand side. Okay, this is how you trade your futures. Now you can see up here all of them, AVAX, USDT, everything like that. All you got to do is just click on the one you want, come down here, and you can buy long or sell short. Really, really simple like that. Okay, super easy and super easy to get a hold of. It's got all the information you need. Now, it has the largest copy trade platform. It's incredible. I'm going to show you that now, all right? And it also takes you through the tutorial. So you see here, list mode, next, chart mode, yeah, understood. So this is a copy trade. What you do is you click on these traders. If I think, I don't like that, it's minus 46%, I don't want to choose that one. I want to go with this person who's made over 1,514%. All you do is once you've logged in, you scan this, that'll log you in, right? You can claim up to $3,000 and more rewards. And you would just connect your wallet to them. And as they trade, it will trade your account. Obviously, choose one that you feel comfortable with. I probably wouldn't choose one that is losing, in my opinion. You can go by ranking, followers, ROI, anything like that, all right? Biggest copy trade there is. Over 12,000 professional traders all over the world, and followers have made over 120 million, all right? Investors and followers can easily choose an expert trader to follow. You literally copy their trades. Someone knows how to do it, you let it copy. Incredible, okay? I'm going to show you literally how to choose one. All you do is I would go to followers personally, because the more followers usually means that they're doing pretty well. You click it like I said and scan this barcode. Now, one thing you want to be looking at when you're doing this, right? You want to be looking at the ROI. You want to be looking at the total profit and loss. And you want to be looking at the copier's P&L, all right? These are some of the biggest things. So total profit and loss, they've actually lost $702, all right, in total. Now, even the little ones like $17, you know this one is actually trading safe. That's what you want to do. It's super easy. Give them a follow. Let me know which ones you like. So guys, I've settled with DaVinci. Let's click follow and let's actually get in there. Right, so I'm going to click principal, right? Once you've clicked it and you've actually logged in, you're going to get the full lot. Okay, now what you want to actually be looking for is really simple, all right? You first want to be checking the total accumulated followers, all right? That's something you want to be checking, which is a lot. Then you want to be checking their trading order, right? We've got 3,093 here. We know the ROI is really good, the gain here. Then what I would be doing is you choose which order you want to be doing. So do you want it to be BTC, USDT, all right? CHZ, USDT, so you can actually decide which ones you want to trade on, which ones you don't, all right? Going down to the chart, so you can actually see their profit to loss ratio as it's going up, as it's going down. All right, you can see with their Ethereum USDT, their BTC USDT, what their preference is, their position durations. You can start to see if they're doing a lot of buys, a lot of sells, how long they hold it for. You can also go down to the trading volume, all right, how much they've been trading in the last 7 days. We can see a lot of influx here. And that's really how simple it is. Now, you can choose any. Like I said, go back to the copy trade, find one that you like. I'm going to go Cashy Flow Follow. All right, you confirm to the settings like this, all right, and it's going to take you through. Now, he futures everything. Okay, what follow mode do you want to do? I'm going to go with 399 USDT. I'm going to go next, and it's going to come up with how much and the fixed ratio. All right, this is the copy trade information. If you like it, press confirm. It's going to take you through, and then if your account is followed and it's got that much in there, it will then just connect you. I've not got that in there, and I'm not connecting to it. This is just an example, so I'm going to go off it right now. So that's it, guys. That's why this is so incredible, right? The copy trading is the biggest in the industry, and I just showed you how easy it actually is. Now, if you sign up, you actually get 10 USDT directly deposited to you, right? You get 10% payback and copy to 100. Now, trading 50K to get 50 USDT prize, all right? That's what I want to see. The links are down below for the special referral link, right? Get involved. Let me know if you liked it. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.